Hello, this is John Latham, and this is your Latham Harvest Report. Well, yesterday I talked about corn results. Today I'm going to talk about soybeans. We've got some exciting soybean results that just came in. First of all, I want to tell you a little bit about our soybean program. Like corn, we're looking for products that do well in our marketing area. We're not looking for things that work all across the country, but just specific areas in our marketing area. And that's why we invest in all the different locations we do, all the different research locations. So I'm really excited about the lineup. This is the new products we've got. We've got XtendFlex, we've got E3 varieties, depending on what chemical program you're looking for. The new products we've got all the way from a 0.1 all the way to a 2.9 maturity variety. And a couple things to note, if it's a 1 on the end, that means it's got peaking resistance to soybean cyst nematode. We've got other products that have got 88788 resistance, but in some places the cysts are becoming resistant to that type of resistance. So peaking is working really well. And any of those products that have a 1, you'll notice have peaking in them. So here, starting off, we're going to start from early to late. Looking at the maturity is the first two numbers. So this is a 1.4 maturity. Our 1442 E3 is doing extremely well. In our Elite 604 test, that's 11 different locations averaged together. This variety was number 1 with 70.2 bushels per acre. So a great product in that 1.4 maturity in E3. Another product that's doing extremely well is our 1558. It's having a stellar year. It's got cyst resistance, 88788 resistance, but really yielding through all the issues that's out there. 11 different locations, 69 bushel. It was number 2 in our Elite 604 trials, so really a great product in that 1.5 maturity. Next is the 1881 E3. This is in our grower fields. It was number 1 in our grower locations at 60.7, and this is in some really dry conditions. So really happy with this variety. This also is a peaking variety. And then our 1947 is one of our top selling varieties. It was number 2 overall grower yields at 60.1. This variety, 1.9, does extremely well, very adaptable for northern Iowa and southern Minnesota. Another product that's doing extremely well in the 1.9 maturity is 1979 XtendFlex. In our Elite 605 trials, this is 8 locations altogether. It was number 1 with 73.85 bushel. Outstanding performance in this XtendFlex. If you're looking for a late group 1 or even an early group 2, this is a great product in the XtendFlex to look at and really a high yielder. Next one is our 2031. This is another peaking resistance. You can see it's done very well this year. Number 2 at Clarence, Iowa. Number 2 at Sutherland, Iowa. It was number 4 in our Elite 605, 8 location average at 70.2 bushel. And this also is a peaking variety. Next is our 2379 E3. This is a product we've had out for a couple years, but an excellent product. It was number 2 in our Elite 606 trial, 10 location average at 68.1 bushel. Great 2.3 maturity variety. Here's the next one that's just really smoking this year, our 2551 E3. You can see all the wins it's got. Number 1 in Alexander, number 1 in Keystone, Iowa, number 1 at Sutherland, Iowa. It was number 2 in our Elite 605, 8 location average at nearly 72 bushel. And then in its maturity range, in our Elite 606, it was number 1 overall, the 10 location average at 70.5 bushel. So this is a peaking variety, outstanding yielder, really impressed with this variety. And then a couple later varieties for you. Our 3.1 maturity is 3123 E3. It was number 1 at Corning, Iowa, and then number 1 in our Elite 608 trial. 63 bushel with a 4 location average. So this is an outstanding product in a 3.1 maturity. And then in a 3.4 maturity, you can see Elite 609, 4 location average, 71.1 bushel per acre. This is a great 3.4 maturity. So where more results are coming in all the time, we'll be getting the results out to you. But in the meantime, if you have questions, give us a call at 877-GO-LATHAM or check out our website for more yield information all the time at lathamseeds.com. Thanks so much for watching.